in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to go down and select Focus. And then on the right side where it says Do Not Disturb, if it's turned on, go ahead and select that. Go underneath Set a Schedule, select whatever is currently scheduled down there, and you can toggle that off at the top. You can also delete the schedule if you want, otherwise this will just temporarily turn it off. Select Done, and that should turn off Do Not Disturb. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.